Your new Lexus NX 300h will come with a full washer fluid tank, and it will get topped up at every service, but it's likely that you'll need to fill it yourself occasionally too. In this short video, we'll show you how to open the bonnet and refill your screen wash reservoir. Your car will tell you when you need to do this. First, you'll need to open the bonnet. You do this by pulling this release, here, down by your knee. Next, you'll need to move around to the front of the car and unlatch the safety catch. You'll be able to feel it under the center of the edge, here. Push it upwards and lift the bonnet. Now we can find the screen wash filler cap. It's just behind the front headlight and is clearly marked with this symbol. If you have a funnel, it will help stop spillages. Pour the contents of the bottle into the reservoir. Check the instructions on the screen wash bottle to see if you need to add water. In winter, you might need to use it undiluted to stop the fluid freezing. In warmer weather, it can be diluted. When the reservoir is full, close the cap. Now lower the bonnet and gently push on the edge here until you feel it catch.